Our setting historically is based and rooted in creativity and children learning through as rich an experience as possible that we can offer for them. And our children, you will have noticed, come from so many different backgrounds and come with different experiences of environments at home, or many come from different countries, different family units. And so what Pete brings with his work is just another element of richness in terms of a different type of experience and opportunity that they can be offered and they can engage in. I've seen children really blossom and develop through this particular medium and working with Pete through Woodwork that I haven't seen with other parts of our curriculum and resources that we might offer them. So I think that engagement with wood and then with tools, which is so exciting to them. We've had particularly some children that just love the use of the tools and becoming skilled, and hence, we've invested money in buying tools that are appropriate for small hands. And we've invested in the goggles and all the health and safety equipment that you sort of see to support them, and we've made sure that they've had the right workbench to gather around to enable and support them, and then from them getting engaged that way and feeling skillful as they've mastered, drilling or sawing, comes a great sense of self-worth. And in that way I've seen children blossom, and I've seen them just become a more confident individual. I'm very aware that there are a number of concerns around children of this age being given tools and engaging in creating and making things with wood. And I would say to those practitioners, risk is a part of life, and it's our responsibility at this age and stage of development to support risk-taking. Obviously to minimise risk, but to support it, and as adults, to ensure we've got the right structures in place. And that's we've worked together with people, and we risk assess the session, we risk assess the tools, the equipment. You've seen the children working with the protective goggles, and that's a recent addition. You continually look at, how is that working? Where are we going to be safest with that piece of work? And hence we have small areas within the classroom or in this area outside that are fenced off, and we have small groups, and there's a very structured risk assessment put around that activity. But it's important to offer it. I think so often we underestimate children of this age. It's a wonderful age in terms of how quickly children learn, and we underestimate how skillful they are and all the things that they are capable of. And it's very much, I think, what Pete brings with his work is that he brings the provocations, he brings the prompts, he brings the structure and the safety element to it, but then he brings that to them, and then he lets them go with that. He gives that freedom, which very much sits with our ethos of how we know that children learn best at this age.